Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the SSD replacement process, gather the following tools: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrostatic discharge, and a plastic spudger for prying open the laptop casing. Ensure you have your new SSD ready for installation. First, power off your Dell Vostro 5000 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows for easy access. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the replacement. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Make sure to work slowly to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once the back panel is off, locate the existing hard drive. It is usually housed in a drive bay secured by additional screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you're unsure, consult your laptop's manual for the specific location. Now, gently disconnect the hard drive from the connector. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. If you're not comfortable with this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. After removing the old hard drive, you can now install the new SSD. Slide the SSD into the connector, ensuring it is securely attached. Then, replace the screws to secure the SSD in place. It's important to handle the SSD carefully to avoid damaging any components. Before reassembling the laptop, take a moment to clean the internal components using compressed air. This will help prevent overheating and improve overall performance. If you don't have the tools for this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service for a hassle-free experience. Once you've completed the cleaning, place the back panel back on the laptop. Make sure all clips are securely in place before replacing the screws. This ensures that everything is sealed properly. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your device. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new SSD is recognized. If you find that your laptop is not booting or there are issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, which can help you assess the situation without any obligation. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the SSD in your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop, enhancing its speed and performance. Enjoy your upgraded device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.